Welcome to the Institute for Product Realization webinar. My name is John Gant, and I'm the Director of Industry Partnerships and Alliances for the IPR here at the University of Louisville. This webinar will last about 20 minutes, and there will be a slide at the end that contains my contact information. You can also get more information if you go online to UofLIPR.com. The goal for the Institute for Product Realization is to develop world-class talent in our students through the creation of an innovation ecosystem at the University of Louisville that leverages our centers of excellence and research in advanced manufacturing, logistics, and information technology. Why IPR? We're the front door of the University of Louisville that connects industry with faculty, students, and R&D resources to accelerate innovation. We focus on four main areas to accomplish this: innovation, centers of excellence, research, and workforce development. The first focus area is innovation. In business, continuous innovation is key to survival, and in our digitally connected, increasingly disruptive world, product conception and realization is occurring at unprecedented speeds. For organizations of all stages and sizes, innovation is central to surviving and thriving. To compete successfully, enterprises must change operationally how they develop and deliver new products. They must learn to design with no constraints, collaborate relentlessly with everyone, operate with all data, and make agile development and delivery the norm. At IPR, we are building an innovation ecosystem that enables organizations that make things to bring products to market at unprecedented speeds with richer product validation and lower costs. This ecosystem provides an innovation alternative for both startups and mature organizations, where our campus is the place to explore bold new ideas away from the limitations of the structured corporate world. The innovation community enables organizations to leverage not only their own expertise, but to harness the power of an extended community by co-creating with others around the world. According to a survey in an Advanced Manufacturing Opportunities report, 64% of companies use advanced manufacturing equipment. 62% of companies use advanced software. 55% use advanced sensing, measurement, or process control. 54% use industrial robotics. 50% use information technologies and digital manufacturing, 36% use additive manufacturing or 3D printing, and 33% of companies use advanced materials. The second area focuses on centers of excellence. Louisville, Kentucky is a center of excellence for organizations that make things. Louisville sits in the manufacturing and logistics center of the country. There are approximately 14,000 manufacturing and service organizations within a 150-mile radius, and Louisville, Kentucky is a world-class logistics hub located within a day's drive of 2/3 of the U.S. population. So too is the University of Louisville. We have developed world-class expertise and centers of excellence here at the university to leverage this strategic location. While our R&D capabilities are near limitless, some areas of specialty at the University of Louisville include smart sensors, prototyping, data and analysis, computation, materials, robotics and artificial intelligence, ergonomics, renewable energy, information mapping, skills training, Makerspace, and logistics and distribution. Smart sensors. Sensors are utilized everywhere to analyze performance, improve processes, safety, or accommodate lifestyles. Companies of all sizes can leverage smart sensor technology to make informed and data-based decisions. In addition to access to faculty, the University of Louisville houses a 10,000 square foot clean room facility and imaging center in the Micro Nanotechnology Center. It was rated top 10 in the Micro Nanotechnology by Small Times Magazine. This world-class facility can help design sensors or devices for your applications. It's open to the public for use, or the engineering staff can process for you. Prototyping. The Speed School of Engineering houses our Rapid Prototyping Center, a world-class facility with capabilities for 3D printing and additive manufacturing of metals, ceramics, and polymers. The center has been performing federally funded basic and applied research, technology transfer, and industry-funded projects for more than 20 years. The facility's current capabilities include direct metal laser sintering, electron beam melting, polymer laser sintering, high-temperature polymer laser sintering, fused deposition modeling, X1 binder jetting, photopolymer 3D printing, among other things. Data and analysis. Meaningful data helps companies make smarter decisions. The University of Louisville Department of Computer Engineering and Computer Science has several labs and research groups focused on data collection and applications, especially as it pertains to digital networking and technology. We have several labs that focus on everything from data mining to analysis. Computation. Computation. With our more than 40 teraflop supercomputer and other labs, we help our students and researchers explore the explosive impact of computers on our everyday lives, creating a need to design and develop a new computer hardware and software systems, and to incorporate new technologies for a rapidly growing range of applications. The field is one of constant reinvention, reflecting new areas of specialization or changes in technology, as well as the preferences and practices of employers. Materials. The University of Louisville often works with industry to find innovative solutions to material-based problems, including how to fabricate and use polymers and metal or ceramic powders for a variety of products and applications, such as healthcare, energy, and transportation. In another dedicated lab, researchers in our Materials Innovation Guild study things like additive manufacturing, powder injection molding, sintering, green micromachining, rapid prototyping, die compaction, tape casting, extrusion, laser machining, micromolding, and surface modification. Robotics and artificial intelligence. Our researchers are studying ways of using technology for real-world applications across many industries. For example, the Aerial Robotics Lab is working to create autonomous aircraft systems, and the Next Generation Systems group is studying microsystems and robots that are increasingly small, cheap, integrated, and networked. Among our areas of focus is artificial intelligence, the theory and development of computer systems able to perform tasks that normally require human intelligence, such as visual perception, speech recognition, decision-making, and translation between languages. Ergonomics. The University of Louisville Center for Ergonomics houses a multidisciplinary human sciences laboratory. The lab is easily configured to simulate different environments, such as a healthcare ambulatory care setting, and is equipped to collect video scenarios of human-computer interaction activities, record user actions through instrumented software designed to capture user interaction with the software interface, and rapid prototype new software designs or changes to existing designs. Renewable Energy. At our Kahn Center for Renewable Energy Research, we have a dedicated service center where researchers use advanced equipment to conduct materials characterization, energy conversion, testing, and sustainability. Information mapping. Information is power, but it means nothing without context and accurate interpretation. The University of Louisville can develop custom maps of geographic-based information for assorted disciplines, including transportation, including road conditions, routing, and nearest facility analysis, real estate, including property assessment, market analysis, and trends, geography, including topography, 3D surface analysis, GPS, and satellite image analysis, demographics, including income, ethnicity, and housing, health, including patient distribution and health care facilities, and engineering, including mapping, bridge scour, and logistics. Aside from mapping data, we can also perform UAV drone mapping, surveying, and analysis. We provide on-site evaluation, estimation, and on-site demonstration of services. In addition to mapping geographies, we can offer web mapping services for your online client data. These services are available in a variety of formats, including online, via public or secure login, a static map, or query-enabled. We can also generate custom databases through statistical analysis of large geospatial data sets, or prepared as Excel spreadsheets, access databases, graphs, and reports. Additive Manufacturing Competency Center and Skills Training. When working with advanced machinery, it's important to have the proper training. This ensures work is done efficiently, effectively, and safely. The Additive Manufacturing Competency Center on the University of Louisville's Belknap campus is an advanced manufacturing training facility. The center is a public-private partnership between the university and safety and science company UofL, LLC. The UofL AMCC offers hands-on training for metals manufacturing, plus curriculum that teaches computer-aided design setup and optimization, parts production and inspection, processing, testing, validation, and safety training. Makerspace. First Build is a global online community and makerspace/microfactory backed by GE Appliances, a hire company, and is open to students and community members who want to tinker and build. First Build is a model for adapting to a changing competitive environment that disadvantages large firms. Entrepreneurs, makers, and students can use First Build's advanced manufacturing and rapid prototyping tools, including MakerBots, 3D printers, laser cutters, and electronics benches. There are also available tools for fabrication, including a Amada laser cutter, water jet, CNC press, brake, CNC mill, and a shop bot. First Build Microfactory has a space for brainstorming and demonstrating products, a prototyping lab, and a component fabrication shop, and a place for products to be assembled. And finally, logistics and distribution. LODI, the University of Louisville's Logic and Distribution Institute, is a university-wide multidisciplinary research institute dedicated to finding solutions to current and next-generation problems in the logistics industry. Faculty and students at the institute work with companies on a wide range of problems, including supply chain network design, warehouse design and operations, transportation planning, and e-commerce order fulfillment. LODI works to create value for these companies, such as by increasing throughput or efficiency. In addition to receiving solutions and insights into technical problems, partner companies get to work with prospective employees while they are still seeking their degrees. The Institute also has fully funded research faculty positions who work on innovation in the logistics industry. The third area focuses on research. As a complement to each of the centers of excellence, the University of Louisville has numerous faculty experts. These experts are available to solve problems experienced by industries. The range of problems varies and can cover everything from basic to commercial research. The IPR provides an alliance organization that recruits and supports business organizations throughout their engagement. We have invested over $230 million into faculty development and increased endowed faculty from 25 to 133. These scholars help the university attract top-level students, research funding, and recognition. We support our investors by helping them translate their discoveries with a portfolio of entities that work together to commercialize the innovations happening in our labs. Our commercialization enterprise has progressed from the traditional technology transfer, IP protection, and/or licensing to comprehensive innovation support, which includes helping with varying degrees of proof-of-concept funding, entrepreneurial training, and connecting startups with industry commercialization partners. And the fourth area of focus is on workforce development. The IPR helps produce students that possess state-of-the-art skills for prospective employers. The demand for these skills is increasing dramatically, requiring a growing pipeline of individuals. The IPR will work with employers and school systems to implement programs that inspire K-12 minds and develop the workforce pipeline of the future. At the university level, more than 20,000 undergraduate, master's, and doctoral students call our campus home. They study everything from physics to philosophy through our 12 schools, including the J.B. Speed School of Engineering, School of Medicine, College of Business, and Brandeis School of Law. We train our students to join the workforce. Before graduation, many of them receive hands-on experience working in additive manufacturing, technology, and other fields. We teach them to use advanced equipment and let them tackle real-world projects through our work with industry. Our students are truly top-notch. Since 2003, they've won over 100 Fulbright Awards. The University of Louisville has ranked among the top 20 public universities in the nation for Fulbright winners, which puts us on par with Ivy League schools. A great example is Christopher Bird. Christopher is a student at the UofL J.B. Speed School of Engineering. He could have attended several other prestigious institutions, but chose UofL because of the Institute for Product Realization and the opportunity to get experience with industry. Now a campus tour guide, Christopher tells potential students about the commitment and how it offers our students valuable hands-on experience while still in school. So how can we help? The IPR is uniquely poised to work with companies of any size. For startups and entrepreneurs, we can provide access to makerspaces, advanced R&D equipment, and other facilities, often at a comparatively low price. Experts in everything an entrepreneur needs to know, from prototyping to commercialization, and patented technologies available for licensing. An example is Breath Diagnostics. This is a medical device startup company. Their technology determines if a patient has lung cancer by analyzing their breath based on licensed University of Louisville research. This patented technology was developed with UofL lab facilities by engineering and chemistry faculty and the Brown Cancer Center for Medical Research staff. Cleanroom and microelectromechanical systems lab facilities were critical to the work's success. Working with UofL enabled the company to save time and money in the research and development process. For small to mid-sized companies, the IPR offers access to advanced facilities for prototyping and other R&D activities, often at a comparatively low cost. Leading-edge knowledge of currently available technological innovations, researchers with expertise in a wide range of fields, patented technologies available for licensing, and skilled access to students. For small to mid-sized companies, the IPR offers access to advanced facilities for prototyping and other R&D activities at often a comparatively low cost, leading-edge knowledge of currently available technological innovations, researchers with expertise in a wide range of fields, patented technologies available for licensing, and access to skilled students with practical experience who could supplement your workforce after graduation. An example is LCOM Global Connectivity. The goal here was to improve warehouse design and operations without disruption to their operations. UofL Logistics and Distribution Institute, LODI, assessed their operation and proposed new inventory control policies, material flow design, and storage systems to achieve space utilization and throughput in their new facility. We designed a new warehouse layout, item slotting strategy, order profile, inventory control policy, storage policies, product allocation, and batching methods for order picking, and developed a guide to help LCOM implement the new strategies. LCOM saw a significant increase in throughput capacity and considerable improvement to order picking processes. Another small to mid-sized example is NAUGA Needles. This is a technology company that produces a revolutionary nanofabrication nanoneedle tool made from silver gallium. The technology was developed using R&D labs at the University of Louisville. The nanostructure fabrication method created a product that was high performance, durable, and low cost. For large companies, the University of Louisville Institute for Product Realization offers all the amenities afforded to small and medium-sized companies, but also options to physically locate on campus so they are close to and have access to advanced manufacturing and R&D capabilities, allowing them to experiment with less time and risk and often with less costs, and access to researchers with specialized expertise in a wide range of fields, a place to think outside the box, and people to help you do it. Patented technologies for licensing, opportunity to shape curriculum, ensuring that your future workforce is properly trained and ready to hit the ground running upon graduation, and, maybe most importantly, premier access to skilled students with practical experience who could supplement your workforce while still in school and after graduation. A working example of this innovation ecosystem with a large company is FirstBuild. FirstBuild is a microcosm of innovation already occurring on our campus. Through visionary leadership at GE Appliances and the University of Louisville, FirstBuild was opened in July 2014. FirstBuild is an online maker community and makerspace/microfactory located on our Belknap campus. The space was opened through a partnership between the university, Local Motors, and GE Appliances, a hire company. FirstBuild was a model for adapting to a changing competitive environment that disadvantages large firms. Makers online help identify market needs, participate in product development, and watch as their ideas become reality at the microfactory. Because of this partnership, GE Appliances has been able to generate innovative new products while saving time and money in the research and development process. And by leveraging crowdsourced design and funding, the company also knows that there will be consumer demand before each product launches. Why now? To stay in business, manufacturers need to continuously innovate and develop new products that help them compete. Those that don't will struggle and may eventually fail. In Kentucky, less than 10% of the manufacturers can afford R&D. The pace and complexity of change is accelerating. Customer expectations are also changing. In the past, it took up to 3 years to develop and commercialize a new product. Today, innovative companies have reduced that time to months. Henry Ford in 1908 was quoted as saying, "Any customer can have a car painted any color that they want, so long as it is black." Those days are gone. Customers expect personalization. And they expect delivery quickly. Not long ago, delivery could be measured in weeks. Some companies like Amazon now offer same-day delivery in some markets. And the number of unusual company partnerships is growing. Examples are IBM, Indiegogo, and Arrow Electronics, who recently announced a partnership to help bring new Internet of Things ideas to life. And right here in Louisville, UPS, SAP, and Fast Radius have launched an effort to bring 3D printing full steam into the world of scaled industrial production. The partners have teamed up to print everything from auto parts to medical devices. All this is done at scale with production runs numbering in the hundreds of units. In fact, it's available as an on-demand service at UPS facilities. Today's business environment requires research capabilities at universities, collaborative environment with other organizations, rapid design, development, and production of new products, and great fulfillment and distribution capabilities. And that is the Institute for Product Realization here at the University of Louisville. I'd like to thank you for your time today. Appreciate you joining us for this webinar. If you have any questions or would like to talk to us about a project, please feel free to call my cell phone number, which is area code 502-643-5643. Or you can email me at john.gant, Gant, so john.gant.1 @louisville.edu. Thanks again and have a great day.